Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do our cloud broadsword into push and block. Cloud's broadsword is different than straight sword cloud. Cloud broadsword is to double hand and blocking on top. Something come from the top. And you can twist into the next attacking and for pushing out. And using the hand, go to the unsharp edge from inside of the broadsword and pushing out for blocking purpose. Okay, how to do the cloud? Number one, stabilize your leg. Make sure that very sturdy and stable. Jumping up and down, feel the center. Number two, make sure you're gonna warm up your back. And do not hurt your back. It's like a matrix move because your broadsword has to go on top, like a cloud on top of your head. And wrap, coming back. You see, it's not that easy. If you do this, that's fine, but doesn't look very dramatic. So you want to look at the cloud because something coming from the top. You want to look and blocking at the same time. So the body motion, you see how big the body motion is? That's why. Do your warm-up before you get into this movement and make sure that the motion is very smooth on top of your head. Now, use your left hand, stabilize your broadsword inside, and both hands go to cloud, flat, twisting, and get ready for the next push and pop. This is for blocking purpose, for pushing purpose. You can put your leg up, you can put your leg down. It doesn't matter, okay, what you do. As long as you have that motion for blocking purpose. So put two things together. Stabilize your leg. Hold it. And action. Going up, flat. And reaching the full circle to the right side. And reach the full motion to the left side and back to your waist. And make sure that you control the broadsword at every single moment. Then put the broadsword in between your thumb and the second finger in between and pushing the knife or broadsword straight out. You see upper body? You cannot do straight because things coming from the towards forward, you have wrong angle. You have to open up the sideways, pushing and blocking like a wall, pushing out. Okay, so put two things together, adding stances. Ready? Go. 1, 2, push. One more time. 1, 2, push. And from the sideway, take a look how bent my back should be. Push. One more time. Push. From behind, you see my body, stay centered. Push. Now you got the full motion of the cloud into push. Now let's see how we're gonna do for the real movie fighting, how to do the choreo. One more time. That's the fighting motion you can use for the cloud broadsword into the blocking purpose. For the broadsword, cloud broadsword, why we're using two hands is also because the design of the sword. This edge is all blade pretty sharp, but this side you can use your hands for other movement. That's why when we do the cloud hand, we're able to use in the other side to blocking more heavier attacking, right? So pushing up, you see earlier, I'm using my hands blocking first, and then I'm twisting for that blocking purpose and slip other things away and back to and blocking for the next attacking movement. That's why broadsword and straight sword, they're using differently because the weapon's designed differently. And once you're doing that, please don't forget to use your body motion, all right? Use a bigger arm, use your waist to developing that strong muscle weapon, push. And when you're pushing, if you're only using right hand to push or left hand to push, it's not enough because the impacts sometimes can be pretty heavy. You want to use both hands to support. Also, most of the time I'm using my leg to support too. You see, now from the sideway, the back of the leg is supporting my whole entire body. And my arm is to stabilize the broadsword for the upcoming blocking motion. See, you can push me back, I can push you in, pushing me back, pushing me in. You see, it's all controlled by you. And second, you want to make sure that don't cutting yourself by holding too much at the edge, because the broadsword design is going, the more you're going to top, the more thinner the blade can be. And you want to holding the back. Know your weapons, what part of the weapon is more easy to hold it and not to cut yourself. Then you find the perfect spot to support. Otherwise, you're going to cut yourself before you're cutting somebody else. A lot of times we have to using the cloud broadsword cutting motion into something else to continue for the entire transition. So let's do, maybe this time we're going to do something more interesting. Upper blocking and pushing. Now, since my hands stick with my broadsword, I can also use this to blocking away and pushing out. So it's very easy to use when you have two hands for the blocking. And I can, something come in, I can just twisting and keep walking, and pushing out, going back, pushing forward. So it's very interesting to have this kind of practice at home. You can do forward footwork, back foot, and left and right by using the cloud push, 1, 2, push, 1, 2, blocking, 1, 2, push, 1, 2, blocking. You know, the concept is put your hands on, stick on your broadsword and use the body motion to practice different motion over and over. We can also put all the stuff we've been teaching together and make nice combo too. Will be fun to put everything we'll be training and practice before and put into a cloud sword into cutting. Let's try it. Let me see the first one, wrapping the head. Second one is thrusting. Third one is cutting. Fourth one is a cloud and push and push. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And next one, we're going to teach you how to do the uppercut and push.